Hello my crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel and another in my series creating cards in 10 minutes. I'm using this month's sketch from Alicia, the July 2021 Sheila of Card sketch. And as you might recall, we left off with I had put all the pieces in the inside here, and I had started putting these pieces on, and I'm gonna cut these edges off, and it's gonna go on the front. I had a few left to go when the timer went off last time. So let's get started. Let's get everything semi-organized. All right, let us set our 10 minutes. And away we go. I do have another snail runner piece if that one runs out. Again, I want to make sure I just line it up to where I cut off blank, not part of the word. Okay, so there's those. Now we can cut them down. Yep. Oop, I have to trim some of that off too, I guess, huh? There we go. Okay. And these are brand new scissors. They're very sharp. I haven't cut anything sticky with them yet. Never say never. Okay. Now we can start putting these together. This is the card front. again, I'm not going to put holes in here and put twine or anything. I might do that for the next set. Who knows? Okay, this sounds like it's getting ready to run out. Okay, there we go. How's that? Really cute, I think. I think this is really pretty paper right here. I think it's all pretty, actually. Okay. Yep. You can tell by the sound that it's running out. So I will switch that very, very quickly. Maybe. Haste makes waste. Okay, there we go. I love that. The wood green. That is really pretty. And I don't know if you noticed, I had to make sure it was pretty much the same there. When you have directional paper, it does make it interesting, to say the least. Here we have the fish on the top. Okay. Okay. It is 81 degrees outside now. We don't have an air conditioner. We do have ceiling fans. But if I put it on in here, I run the risk of blowing everything off my table. That wouldn't be too good, would it? So, yeah. It does get a little warm. All right. Coming down to the wire on the time, anyway. Okay, I'm not quite done putting these together. And haste makes waste. All right. Three, two. There we go. I did it. Yay. Aha. All right. We got it. 8 seconds shy of 10 minutes. 10 minutes and 8 seconds. We got them all put together. And I'm going to be gluing this down next time and putting them on the card bases. All right. How is that? Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. And if you like this, please press the like button and consider subscribing. I do this every month with the newest sheet load. Bye-bye.